Hi, this is a multi-part video about my latest purchase. I have always wanted a Mini Cooper, and so I purchased this one at an online auction. As you can see, it is typical of a Mini with distinctive yellow Duco and featured flared guards and contrasting mirrors. It is AR56, which is the second generation of Mini produced by BMW. It even has a Union Jack on the roof just to say I am a British car. The interior has styling in keeping with the original Mini cars. Although modernized, it is also compact like the original Mini of the 60s. One other reason I bought the car.